Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sandusky District Library's Fall Virtual Story Time. This is week 6. Are you ready? Hands go up and hands go down. I can turn myself around. I can stand up on one shoe. I can listen, so can you. I can sit, I'll show you how. Story time is starting now. Hello, everyone. I am so glad you're here because this week we're talking dinosaurs. So let's get started. Our first book is called That's What Dinosaurs Do, and it's written by Jory John, and its illustrations are by Pete Oswald. I wonder who's in that bush. Roar, roar, roar. William had a great weekend, but now his throat hurt from way too much roaring. William went to the doctor. Do you see what's in his throat? He's got a bicycle in his throat. No more roaring for a week, the doctor proclaimed, and I mean it. Roar? Asked William. Exactly, said the doctor. Don't do that. But how can I not roar, thought William. That's what dinosaurs do. William was sad, down, distraught, depressed, drained. Roaring was his life. Now what? He did want to get better, though, so William completely stopped his roaring. It was not easy. There was just so many great opportunities to roar. Sigh. Sigh. As embarrassing as it was, poor William decided that he must live a life of silence. He sat in his chair and stared at the wall and drank cup after cup of chamomile tea with honey. Not roaring is so boring, thought William. It's no fun when a dinosaur loses his roar, even for a week. On Tuesday, William moped around his garden. On Wednesday, William remained inside his house. On Thursday, William stayed under the covers all day. On Friday, William could barely stand it. He had to roar again. William went back to the doctor. It looks a little bit better, William, said the doctor. Still not great, though. Roar? Asked William. You may roar, said the doctor, but if you roar too much, your throat will surely hurt again. Outside the doctor's office, William spotted the mailman, who smiled and waved. William waved back. Then he felt something bubbling up inside of him. William knew he shouldn't roar at the nice mailman, but he did it anyway. Roar! Because that's what dinosaurs do. William spotted some kids at the playground. They were having a lot of fun. William liked fun, so he joined them on the swings and on the slide. While he played, William knew he shouldn't roar at all the kids, but then he felt a new roar bubbling up until he just couldn't help himself. Roar! William spotted some people waiting for the bus. He waited. Fact, dinosaurs don't like waiting. Fact, they like roaring. Roar! Yes, that's what dinosaurs do. William rode the bus all the way home. At his stop, the driver said, Have a nice weekend, William. William turned and smiled his nicest, toothiest smile. Then he roared in the driver's face. Roar! Geez, what was that for? Asked the driver. There was only one answer to his question. That's what dinosaurs do. William had another great weekend. Roar, roar, roar! Can you roar? Roar, roar, roar! Roar! The townspeople gathered in front of William's house and demanded an apology. Even his doctor was there. But William wasn't sorry for roaring. Not one bit. You want to know why? Because that's what dinosaurs do. That silly dinosaur. Okay, since it's dinosaur week, our craft is going to be a paper plate dinosaur. So in your Storytime craft kit, you should have this half circle, and you also should have in a little bag all the dinosaur parts. So what you're going to do is you're going to take glue or tape, whatever you think works best, and you're going to glue. Before you get out the glue, I missed this step. You need to color all your dinosaur pieces, every single one, however color you want to do. If you want to do a purple, yellow spotted dinosaur, go ahead. Or if you want a multicolored dinosaur, or if you just want like a regular green dinosaur, that works too, whatever you want to do. So you're going to color all these pieces, and then what you're going to do is you're going to glue and tape these pieces onto your dinosaur. Make sure, again, that you hold on the pieces really tight after you glue them to make sure that they stick. And then, when you're all done, it should look something like this. So the triangles are for the spine, and then we have the tail, and the head, and the legs. And then I took a black marker, and I drew and colored a little black dot for his eyes. Okay. All right, so that is our dinosaur craft. Let's see what other book I have for us today. So our next book is called, it's called Pop-Up Dinosaurs. Okay, so if this one has dinosaur names in it, so you'll have to forgive me if I say the dinosaurs' names a little bit wrong. Okay, we'll do it together. Long, long ago, when dinosaurs were alive, strange creatures called Petrosaurus swooped across the sky. Whoosh, whoosh. Hungry, long-necked brachiosauruses ate tasty leaves from the tops of trees. Munch, munch, crunch, crunch. Triceratops, as big as elephants, had sharp horns on their bony heads. Little velociraptors lived in groups and could run very quickly. Eek! See if they can get them to run. Did you see what the next page is? Let's turn it. T-Rex was the scariest of them all. And when it opened its mouth, it let out a massive, we've got lots of practice now. Can you give out a massive roar? Let's do it one more time. Roar. The end. So that's all I have for you this week. Next week, we're going to talk cats. So I have a couple books I want to share with you that you can get here at the Sandusky District Library, either through curbside or just come in and pick them out. A couple of them are called The Best Cat, Matilda's Cat, and this one is called Spot and Dot. So you can see that there's a dog and a cat in that story. All right, Storytime friends, that's all I have for you this week. I will see you next week. Ready? Tickle the stars, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low, reach up high. Story time is over, so wave goodbye. Bye everyone, I'll see you next week.